I am a graphic designer, and as I began stepping into the field of illustration, I ran into my biggest problem. I couldn't find a style that truly belonged to me. These are some of my previous works. As you can see, the styles are highly diverse. In advertising or graphic design, this may not necessarily be a bad thing. To some extent, it shows that you have the ability to adapt to and interpret a wide range of client needs. However, in illustration, this isn't necessarily an advantage. In many ways, illustration reflects the illustrator as a person. Works that allow viewers to instantly recognize the artist often have stronger market value. In other words, in the field of illustration, recognizability may matter far more than versatility. At least in the beginning, helping people know who you are is likely more important than showing how many different styles you can draw. After experimenting aimlessly with countless styles and taking many illustration courses without achieving the results I hoped for, I decided to explore and search for my own style in a different way. Therefore, I will document my process of creating works based on various themes to see if I can identify patterns and gradually discover the style that suits me best. I'm not sure whether this process will be helpful to others, but I hope that by sharing it, creators who are struggling to find their own style or experiencing creative blocks like I am may at least feel a sense of companionship and comfort. Without further ado, let's begin. To start, I will attempt something relatively simple, redrawing posters for film I like. The movie I chose is Peppermint Soda from 1977. It's a French film made almost half a century ago, yet its aesthetic style still feels remarkably fashionable to me. Part of the film's story is based on the director's childhood experiences, making it somewhat autobiographical. It portrays the lives of several girls aged 12 to 15 in France in 1963. Since the poster requires characters, I chose to draw the four main girls. When designing or drawing characters, it's usually important to differentiate them so they're easy to recognize, often through facial features, expressions, body types, and clothing. However, since the girls I chose are nearly the same age and have similar body types, I decided to focus on expressions and facial features to create distinctions.